Hi everyone, I'm glad you are here. Join me as we discover Goa's landscape, culture, and experiences, one journey at a time. Welcome to Miramar Beach in Goa. Today we are taking a beautiful boat ride from Miramar towards the historic Aguada Fort. As the boat leaves the shore, the wide Arabian Sea opens up in front of us. The city of Panjim slowly fades in the background. On the way, we were lucky to spot dolphins. As the boat ride continues, to see dolphins leap out of water is always a magical and one of the highlights of this boat trip. Down the horizon, we could see the famous Aguada Fort. This 17th century fort was built by Portuguese, and at one time it always guarded Goa from the enemy ships. And down nearby, we could see the Aguada jail, which is now renovated and preserved as a heritage site, the historic moment in Goa's history. As we were moving towards the famous Aguada Fort, we could see many boats loaded with the tourists and the exciting people who were enjoying these boat rides always. These boats come from Kalangut and nearby beaches and allows these tourists to enjoy Goa like anything. This short boat ride gives a mix of sea adventure, dolphin spotting, and looking into Goa's history in a totally different way. On the way back, we could see many birds also enjoying our boat ride. We could also see this bungalow where famous movie of Govinda and Sanjay Dutt shooting took place. So definitely, if you are in Goa, don't miss out this adventurous boat ride. Please share and like this video and subscribe to my channel Explore Goa. Thank you for watching.